Alright, so welcome to Pbteck and Brains, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually record one channel and then watch a different channel using your master combo decoder. Alright, so all you got to do is to insert in the drive, the USB drive that you're going to use to record your file, and then follow the step. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to look for the record button on your remote. Okay, so you're gonna find it on top of the EPG button right here with a red dot on it. You press on the button to start recording. Okay, so right now the recording has started. Alright, so all you have to do, if you don't want to keep on watching this channel or this particular program, you just move on to the next channel. So you can go to another channel and then keep on watching. Alright, here for you to know the duration, whenever you press on the record button again, you wanna know the duration whereby you are recording up to. Okay, the limit. So you wanna stop it, you come back to that same channel, and then here you press on the stop. The stop button right here, and then you press OK to save. Alright, so if you want to find this file, if you want to find the file, just press on the menu on your remote and then media center, press OK. You can come straight to the record files over here, and then this is it. Okay, this is what you just recorded. Alright, so that's it. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and then share on other platforms that accept YouTube videos and reviews.